Hey, has this ever happened to you? You're driving on the road and all of a sudden you need to check your GPS. So you look down at your phone and you check, make sure you're going the right way. You look up, all of a sudden you see a cute baby deer. You stop, you don't hit the baby deer, but a truck rams you from right behind and you end up killing the baby deer anyway.
Actually, no, that's never happened to me, but you know what? I do like traffic safety.
Yeah, and if it has, we got a phone holder right for you.
It'll help.
Yeah.
With deer stuff and traffic safety stuff.
Definitely hypothetical. Let's go.
Hey everyone, what's up and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host Kevin.
And I'm your host Adrian. If you like this video and if you can, please give it a like, please subscribe, and please click on the notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video.
There's plenty more Good Tech Cheap coming at all of you from us. Yes. What are we talking about today? Well, we were talking about traffic safety and adorable little baby deers. Both are interrelated because we want you to be safe and not have what he was talking about ever happen to you, because that would be bad.
That would be definitely bad. Years of paperwork. So today we are talking about, I do too. So today we are talking about the Andebel phone holder mount, a hands-free universal air vent phone holder for your car.
Oh yes, very compatible this phone holder is. Sounded like Yoda there. Huh? It can work with the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro, the Pro Max, the 11. It works with Samsung models like the S21, the S20, and lots more phones because it will actually customize its grip to fit your phone.
This phone holder has an upgraded design. The latest hook design phone clip with a stable 3-point support system. Extremely stable, no matter where you go, it stays in place.
Oh yes, we're talking precision accuracy here. Not just down to, around an inch or so, but we're talking 0.001 inches. It will hold things that tightly. I want someone to hold me that tightly.
Oh, we all do.
I know.
We all do. Yes, this phone holder can hold even your iPhone 12 with a MagSafe wallet case.
That's kind of thick, bro.
That's super thick with 3 C's. This has a locking mechanical design suitable for heavy phones and it won't fall off.
3-point support pad there. And not only that, you got protection that is silicone based, that is nice and soft, to cover your vent to prevent it from getting any dings, dents, or scratches.
That's a lot of stuff to vent out about vents. Speaking of vents, this is 99% compatible with any air vent in your car.
Yes, indeed. And they're not just saying that. Andebel has tested over 10,000 different models. They've conducted 10,000 different tests. They want to be sure that this will work, it will fit, and you'll be able to get your phone in and out super quick.
Boom. Done. Out of curiosity, how many different vehicles did they test this on?
I don't know, maybe like 10,000 or so.
1,000. And that's gotta have a success rate of what? 85, 90%? I mean, no one's perfect, right?
Practice makes perfect, and if you do 10,000 tests on 10,000 different cars, you might get to the point where you get 100% success rate,
100%.
like Andebel did with their vent-based phone holder. And you're going to be covered no matter what your traveling situation is, right?
Oh yeah, rocky roads, sticky roads, bumpy roads, any kind of roads, you name it, they got you covered. This phone holder also comes with 2 1-second release buttons, allows you to touch any button to insert or remove your phone.
It's quick.
That's very quick, and it's pretty much hands-free.
And you have 360-degree adjustability if you want to place your phone in any orientation that suits how you want to view.
I think that's pretty gosh darn amazing.
I would agree with what he said.
Oh yeah. And so this is about what, $50, $70, 75?
He's kidding. He knows what the price is.
It's $25.49.
With the possibility of some discounts that you might be able to get only if you click on the link in the description below. Hey everybody, welcome to my car. Yeah, I know, I'll clean it later, I promise. Anyway, we have here our phone mount for the car vent, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually install it. It's kind of instantaneous. observe. I'm gonna put it right there. All right. So you might say it's a bit too small for your phone. Well, you don't have to worry about that. Press, place, and lock in. And that is all you have to do. And you can unscrew the knob behind the phone, as I'm going to do right now. And that allows you to choose the orientation. Look at the flexibility of direction right there. And once you find the orientation you like, lock it back in. That's it. Hey, so sometimes you don't want a vent mount, you want a windshield mount. Well, we've already removed the plastic cover, and this material right here, as you can see, is very sticky. And so we're going to apply this directly to the windshield. We're going to unscrew first this time. There's the knob, just like you saw on the vent phone, which allows lots of rotational movement and horizontal and vertical placement of your phone, depending on your preference. We're going to lock that in, and we're going to place it. Press firmly, and then use this mechanism right here to help lock into place. So we're going to unscrew to reorient. All right, so here we are. Everything is locked and loaded. Press to open. Place your phone and close it on tight. If you're like me, you like your phone upside down. That's personal preference. Point is that you can move it in any direction you like. Let's make it right side up just for the heck of it. How does that sound? All right, so here we are. It's locked into place. It's locked in the vertical orientation, and I've locked the mechanism that allows your phone holder to slide forward and backwards. So you can customize the placement exactly. And that's not going anywhere. Is everyone ready to hit the road? I know I am. All right, well, I think that about wraps it up for today. We'd like to thank Andeville for sending us the hands-free universal air vent phone holder.
And if you like this phone holder, please click on the link in the description below for more information and to buy it.
With possible discounts. All right, well, I think that wraps it up for today. From Los Angeles, California, I've been your host, Kevin.
I've been your host, Adrian.
Stay safe.
Be kind to each other.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.